Hello, everyone. I'm Scott Martin, and I'm joined with Elizabeth Lanou. We're with Good Info, and we're going to be going over the independent sales representative presentation for the position this afternoon. I would like to point out on the left-hand side of your screen, you should have the option to either chat with us or ask questions as the webinar is going on. I do apologize. There is a time delay, so we're unable to answer directly one-on-one live questions, but Elizabeth will be monitoring those questions as we go along, and at the end of the presentation, we will be doing the answers to those questions. Basically today what we're going to be doing is discussing the overview of the position, the commissions that are paid for the position. We will discuss how easy this is to sell and the availability to create your own position. We want to focus on that we're hiring independent sales representatives to sell memberships, which benefit the small, medium-sized businesses nationwide. The reason I emphasize this is because we have many services that are included within the membership that our competitors charge extra for, so we're not selling one of those services. We are selling a membership that includes all those services, and you'll see what those services and benefits in the memberships include in this presentation. I just want to focus on and emphasize that this is a position to sell memberships to the Good Info organization. Excuse me. We have three main types of memberships. Basically, the free membership, and any free member is able to claim a listing. What claim your listing means, that most people are familiar with the term, is if you own a business, you can go to local search directories and claim your listing and verify that that information is accurate and correct and it belongs to you. Once a listing is claimed, it can only be claimed once, and a member can only claim one listing. Something I want to stress that we do that nobody else in the industry is doing: we do not require credit card for membership fees. We do verify our members to make sure that they are who they say they are. We just use different technologies to do that other than the credit card. And the reason why we do this is we personally don't like to give our credit card for something free and then be surprised with our monthly statement that the company ended up charging us for something somewhere along the lines. So we don't do it, plain and simple. The second membership, which is our primary focus that we are looking at selling right now, and that is our business membership. It is a $199 annual fee. Both our business and premium memberships, although you will obviously be required to enter credit card information, we do not retain that credit card information for future billing purposes. So that is a one-time charge and one-time charge only. We do not retain credit card information. So you can see that already our organization is portraying things that, or strategies that are different than normal industry standards. We're not trying to capture information, sucker you into giving us a credit card, and then secretly billing you erroneous fees. We do have a premium membership that is a $4.99 annual charge, and that membership has access to additional services that are paid services, but they're marketing services and other services that businesses are currently using or are interested in using, and we offer them at a highly discounted rate to our members. So it's very beneficial if somebody's already using phone service, a email marketing company, and some other strategies. They can use our services or the companies that we have partnered with and get them at a greatly discounted rate. The commission structure is very basic. We offer generous commission of 50% on the memberships. And we offer $100 for the business member. I know if you do 50%, it's 50 cents less, but we just rounded it up to $100 to make the math even easier. The premium membership is $250. So every membership that you would sell, you get the 50% commission on it. The main concept of GoodInfo is to provide small to medium businesses with a very cost-effective structure that will help them build their business with continued support and education with ever-changing technology. When you look at small businesses, basically what they need to do is learn to be an expert in a lot of different areas. You have to know something about social media, you have to know something about marketing, you have to know something about email programs, and the list goes on and on and on. And what's happening is the small businesses are becoming overwhelmed, so what they do is they go and hire companies. So they hire a company to do this portion, another company to do another portion, and so on and so forth. So they're spending money in multiple different places. What we've done is we consolidated everything that the small business needs to get found on the internet. Statistics show that everybody knows phone books are in the past and everybody goes online. A lot of businesses aren't being found online, and they're either spending money that they don't need to be found on major search engines, or they are just can't afford to do it and think that there's no other option. Well, we are the answer to both of those scenarios for the small businesses. And another benefit is being a membership. We do all the hard work for our members. We figure out what technologies are working, what the small businesses should be doing, and as that changes, we progress with the technology, and that is handed off to our business members to have them in the advantage point as far as being found on the internet. Value for cost of the different memberships. Most of your local search directories or review sites they do allow you to claim your information. A lot of the reasons why they allow you to claim your information is because they're obtaining your data. When a company does that, they now have the ownership of that data. GoodInfo does the same thing. We do require membership interaction and claiming your listing and providing us that data. However, since we are membership owned and the members have voting rights within the cooperative, we don't sell the information. Most people or businesses are unaware. If they go to some of these major corporations, that's how they make their money. Two ways is advertising and selling your information. We do not sell information. So we provide you the most information that you can claim out of any listing. Most of them are just business name, phone number, and location. We allow you to go above and beyond that, where you can actually put in a description even though it's not visible. You can put in keywords, you can put in other phone numbers and stuff. It goes into our database and it helps your SEO efforts. It's just not visible on our site. The basic information is, the extra information isn't. And it gets kind of complex, but we have the most elaborate free and claim your listing offer out there. And then when you go up to the $199 business membership, you get everything that the free claim your listing member does. And then I'll show you a sample business profile, but it's advertisement free. There's a blog on there, a coupon builder, banners, logos, photo galleries. You can list events, call to actions, and there's a lot more. What the premium membership adds is access to our premium services, which we offer at discounted prices. Here's a short sample comparison chart for local search companies. In this one, we're kind of comparing ourselves, picking on Yelp and YP a little bit. Everybody allows you to claim your listing. Once again, we're the only ones that allow you to do it without a credit card. We do validate the person to make sure that they are real. That's a big thing in today's industry where, you know, if you're not validating your members or the people on your site, then any robot or, you know, people in different countries, you can pay them to go in and just type whatever information you want in. So we eliminate all those worries. We allow you to enter keywords for free, up to 20 keywords for each business profile. Some of our competitors, once you pay them, they allow you to put in 2 keywords and then pay for additional keywords after that. We include up to 20 with our membership of $199 a year. Content. Everybody knows content is king. YP is nothing more than a phone book listing, so that's what you get. Yelp is a little bit more than just a phone book listing. They're more of a review site. But we allow you a full company description. Basically, our profile page is like a one-page website for the company. We allow coupons. Everybody's familiar with Groupon and how successful they are with taking coupons and getting people coupons out to everybody. We're kind of doing the same thing, but we do it on a local market. They do it nationwide. If you offer a coupon with them, you're offering it to everybody in the country. Well, if I'm a mom and pop coffee shop, I don't need, in Florida, I don't need somebody in Nebraska getting my coupon. So we offer unlimited coupons with the business and premium membership, and the business owner can create as many coupons as they like, and then they can be shared out to social media, blogs, emails, wherever they would like to send them out to. Business networking. Another advantage of Good Info. We like to say that we're a hybrid technology. Not only are we a local search directory with benefits above and beyond our competitors, we've also integrated a social media platform. So you can have member-to-member conversations, develop groups, so members can share back and forth with each other. And that's something that other companies do not offer. It's basically like a online chamber of commerce, per se. Very, very advantageous. One of the major advantages that we're seeing from the businesses that we've been talking to is advertisement-free search results and advertisement-free profile pages. What a lot of people do, a lot of our competitors do, is the more money you pay them, the higher you are in their search results. We use a geo-targeted technology. We are location-based. If you've been to our website, you would probably notice it says "Welcome to Good Info" and then the town. It knows, we know where you are either by your mobile device location or your IP address. And when you perform a search, we have a maximum of a 20-mile search radius, so we are very local. You can take that down to 2 miles. If you're looking for a pizza shop or something close to your house, you're only going to get those results. So nobody can advertise and say, well, I want to go in there and steal business from my competitor. So that allows us to have very genuine results and very accurate local search results. Member-only reviews. I know some of our competitors, you can just go on there and write a review. How do I know that that's valid? How do I know that that's actually a human being doing it, not a computer? And a bunch of different things like that. Yelp actually has a program now where you can pay to have good reviews put up, or you can pay to have bad reviews removed. So a lot of people don't like that. They don't trust, you know, starting not to trust the reviews because of that and everything. Somebody like Angie's List, you have to pay them to be a member to even review the reviews. They don't even let you see anything. We let non-members see the reviews, and if you do want to write a review, we have a free membership that allows you to write reviews with no credit card required. Competitor advertising, I kind of mentioned that with the advertisement-free search results. Our site, some people have said it looks naked, it looks plain. That's because we do not have any third-party advertising on our site. We do not charge additional fees for our business membership. The premium member also has the same benefits as the business membership. However, they do have access to additional products that we offer at discounted rates. But if you're applying to have your profile, there's no monthly recurring fees, no additional fees for extra buttons, or we don't say, hey, it's a $1.99 for the profile. We're going to charge you $10 a month for the coupon, $5 a keyword, or anything like that. Everything's included. And I touched on the geo-targeted technology. We're a location-based search directory. We do not have advertisements or SEO enhancement services where you can pay to be higher in the listing. The only thing we do, members are listed above non-members within the radius that you have searched. Here's a sample profile page for one of our members. And as you can see, there are no advertisements on this. We allow you to upload your banner image. This gives you the ability to feature your business on your page, not put a little blip about your company and have the banner a flashing image from one of your competitors. We also have member-only reviews. We have a call to action button, number 3, which links you directly to your site. Most of our competitors do not allow this function. The ones that do charge you a hefty monthly fee for it. It's included in a package with Yelp that starts at $300 a month. Why do they do this? Well, they sell advertising. They monitor how many page views a month or day, however they get, and they sell advertising based on that information, so they don't want you leaving your profile page or the consumers to leave your profile page because they can charge more for marketing. We have no marketing. We are a membership-based organization. We want the small businesses to have a competitive edge and thrive and have an advantage over businesses with big marketing budgets. So we provide this call to action button that directs the consumer directly to your website. And you do have the availability when you edit your profile to put in whichever URL you want. So if you necessarily don't want them going to your home page, you want them going to a call to action page, that's fine. And you can change that URL anytime you like, because this is the business owner's profile page. They have full access to edit this at any time. We also, number 4, we have unlimited phone and email listings. A lot of our competitors, they have a phone number up there and you get to change it. Well, we offer multiple different phones. Example of that would be I have a toll-free number, a local number, and a fax number. You can list all 3. And you can put as many in as you like if you have different departments or something or different locations. We offer a photo gallery, unlimited photo gallery. You can upload as many images as you like to your profile page. This is good for restaurants that have different menu items. This is good for roofing companies that necessarily don't do a lot of website advertising or lawn care services, pool repair services and stuff. They can display images of the work that they have done. So that's very advantageous. We also, this member has not set these benefits up yet, but it is included. They just haven't added it from their profile. But number 6 is a blog. This is where the blog would go. Once again, content is king. The more content you have, the better chances you have of being found. So we include a blog in the profile page. Also, number 7, the coupons that you create display on your profile page. They will automatically be removed once they expire. You have the availability to set the start date and the end date for the coupons. So if you want to sit down once a month and put out coupons, a daily coupon, a weekly coupon for the month or 3 months in advance, You can do that, and they will, once they are active, they will show up on the profile page. When they are expired, they are automatically removed from the profile page. So there's no maintenance on your part other than developing the coupons. Number 8, above and beyond the banner image, number 1, that we allow you to display your business, we also allow you to have what we call business logo image. And this is any image that you would like to upload to your profile. And last but not least, number 9 is a company description. If anybody's familiar with a WYSIWYG editor, that's what you see is what you get. That allows you to add HTML if you want. If you want to change the font, the size, the color, you have full editing capability with this description. So basically, this profile ends up being a one-page website for the business that is backed with the power of good info. So how does this benefit businesses? A lot of businesses can't compete with paying their own SEO and website development and getting their website up on the search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and some others. So what people are doing now are using the Yelps, the YPs, the Mantas, and getting their listing found. Well, if you look at the next slide here, they're full of advertisements. They're full of other information, and they're making money off of your business. We allow you to be found, and without the interruptions or distractions from other competitors. So it's very, very beneficial. We don't sell your information. So if we take a look at this at number 1, when I was on Yelp and I searched the same black and gold coffee roasters, the same exact location, the previous slide, not logged in, number 1, anybody can write a review. So if I went there and, you know, or I'm their competitor and I don't like them, I could just sit there and write bad review after bad review. Is it good practice? No. Does it happen on a daily basis? Absolutely. So that's why we validate our members, and only members can write reviews. And since we are a membership site, members monitor members. If somebody is going around and bashing companies, all you have to do when you're logged into our site is say, hey, look, this member did this, and we go and we investigate it. If they broke any of the violations of the privacy policy, they're no longer a member of the organization. So that's very beneficial. Also, there's no call to action. The link to your website, they do not allow it because once again, it takes away from their advertising dollars. You can do it. Once again, the package to do that, there's other things in that package, but the only way to get that button is to purchase that package, and it starts at $300 a month, and it exceeds $1,000 a month just for that button and some other features. Number 3, if you look at number 3, this coffee shop has to pay Yelp on a monthly basis to have advertisement removed from their corporate competitor, who is Starbucks. However, it does not remove the advertisement from the page. They simply just put up non-competitor advertising on their page. So once again, you're still getting distracted by other advertisements and businesses on your profile page. Number 5, there's even more advertisements. I'm looking for a coffee shop, and I'm being asked to go to a tobacco locker and a crab and oyster bar. Not what I'm looking for, so they're giving you irrelevant information. One of our taglines are good, relevant information. We're giving you what you're looking for without all the distractions. In this example, there's also no business description. They give you the location, a couple images, and some comments from previous consumers and a bunch of advertisements. So when you're comparing us, you can see that we allow, you know, more information, the business to put up more information about their business so they can obtain more customers instead of having competitors steal customers from them. Also, what I did here, if you look at number 6, I'm not logged in, and you can test this out. If you're not logged in, you go to Yelp. I can go in and actually edit his business. Now, he has claimed his listing. He does pay Yelp on a monthly basis, and anybody can go in and still edit this business listing. You know, I don't know about you, but personally, if I owned this business, I'd be a little skeptical that anybody can go in and edit my business information. And once again, what they do allow you to edit is nothing more than address, phone number, and some other information there. We make it very easy to sell. Once you understand the benefit and the power of the profile and what GetInfo has to offer the businesses, it's just a matter of going out and portraying that to the business owner. A perfect example is when we walked into Coffee Roasters. We were there for something else, and the owner was making his coffees and stuff, very busy. And we said, we have a second of your time. He goes, you have like 2 seconds. So we started talking to him. He goes, I'm already with Yelp. I'm not interested. So he was making my associate's coffee, and we said, what don't you like about Yelp? And he goes, well, the advertisements. And I had to pay this take down Starbucks. I said, we're advertisement free. We went down, had our drinks. He came over and started talking to us, and he's now a member of our site. It sold him that fast that we didn't have membership. So all you have to do is kind of find out what the business is doing, what they don't like about what they're currently spending money for, and then show them the advantage of GetInfo. Also, you are free to sell this however you like, as long as you're representing GetInfo in the proper manner. Some people are going door to door. Some people are doing email campaigns. You can do cold calls. We have a couple people that have massive organic leads of their own because they've been in the industry with other companies and stuff, and they have a lot of contacts. You can do that. You can sell from leads from GetInfo. If you're out and about and you're going to your hairdresser, your barber, you're sitting there at your local coffee shop, you can sell it that way. Friends that own businesses, explain to them, the benefits, and they would be more than willing, once they understand the benefits, to sign up. We also have the availability to sell on social media. Once you become an independent sales rep and sign up on board, our affiliate program is what tracks everything. And you have what's called creatives. You post that in your social media. It has a code behind it that is your code. Anybody that clicks on that creative and signs up, you get paid the commission for it. So if you put that creative on your Facebook page and you have 300 friends, they send it to, there are 300 friends, so on and so forth. As long as that image is out there and it's going and your code's behind it, whoever clicks on it, you're getting the lead, or you're getting the commission on that sale. So we have very, very proactive ways of selling this digitally. We also allow you to create your own position. We have a lot of people that, when we first started hiring salespeople, that said, man, I love this idea, but I don't want to quit my day job yet. You don't have to. We do have some people that are doing it full-time. So you can do full-time, part-time, in lieu of your current position. We have small business experts that speak at conferences. They speak at Chamber of Commerce meetings. They're active in their community. So they're like, I love what I do and I want to keep on doing it, but I can make extra money on the side by telling people how good GetInfo is. Whatever your desires are, we accept it. We will allow you to do that because it's the right thing to do, and it allows you flexibility, and it gets our word out for us. So basically, that's what we're offering for the independent sales position. And if anybody has any questions, there is a button on your left where you can ask some questions or chat. I have not seen any questions come in as of yet. But from here, you can visit our website and get some more information. You can go ahead and look at the affiliate programs that we offer if you don't want to be a full-time sales position, or part-time or in lieu of. And if you just have like a website with a lot of traffic and you want to be a reseller, we have a reseller program as well, and that pays $50 per membership. So we do have a lot of advantages. What we do offer is, if you're interested in the position, once you sign up for the affiliate program, we send you an email, and we do a extensive training. It's about an hour to an hour and a half long webinar explaining how all these benefits are helpful to the small business, some kind of strategies to get going and selling this, and also how to use the affiliate program and everything, and getting you all set up, ready to go out into the field. So if nobody has any questions, we look forward to having you sign up. And once again, if you want to sign up, I forgot to mention this, if you want to sign up for the independent sales representative, just visit our website at www.goodinfo.com, go to the affiliates program, and select the independent sales representative. What that will do is provide you with a free premium membership to our website. The reason why we do that is your sample profile page is your demonstration tool. It's your selling tool. You can show them all the different things that they can do with the profile and everything. We show you how to build that and everything in the training. So go ahead and visit there, sign up, and then once you do, you will be welcomed aboard. And on the welcome page, we have the webinars for the dates of the full sales training. So if nobody has any questions, I'm going to go ahead and end this webinar, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you very much.